Oh no! No! Get in that truck. Oh, baby. They all fell over. All your cakes. How lame. Caitlin said she was done with my bullshit and she was moving out. Then I came home and all her stuff is packed.
So lame.
You're done? That means I don't have to help. Ready for our last night as sisters?
Last time I tried to do this on camera, it was an epic fail. Oh god, can I release that first?
I wasn't ready.
Me either. I didn't know it was gonna come out that easily.
And wine in our Easter glasses, because it's the only ones I have that you haven't taken with you. Eee.
Actually, I was gonna take this one on the left.
We got these little guys for Christmas from Germany.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, a penguin. Cool. It's the ultimate sister night. Before you leave me.
You're leaving me. I was forced to leave because you're leaving.
Shh, they don't know yet. We got the PlayStation and we got the two best games that we used to play when we were kids.
This is intense.
I know, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Disco Bonnie. Oh shit.
Let's go, Todd. You used to be good at this game. What happened?
I am so good. Do something, you. It's harder than you think.
Oh yeah, I know. I can't do anything.
Okay, now what buttons do I push? Not telling.
Wait, what the fuck? Why won't he turn? He literally won't turn again! Turd was broken! Turd! Fuck my life. What a fail. Now this is the best game of all time, ATV Off-Road Fury 2. We used to drive around, but we would make scenarios happen. Remember? Like, what's going on, Mikan? Mikan was a real person.
What's going on, Mikan?
I'm off track. Where is the track?
Oh my god, I just died.
I'm back on the track. I'm no longer drowning. I'm no longer in the forest. I'm ready to rock and roll. How do y'all steer so well? I don't understand.
You're at the bottom of the hill, you pull back, and when you get to the top, you push forward.
No one ever told me that.
You learn. I don't want to be a girl anymore. Girls suck. I don't think I have a bird nest to come in my head. Look on camera. Like, I can't even fucking turn around. I don't even understand. I beat you by over 19K. 19K.
That's more subscribers than I have on YouTube.
You guys just punched me in the face.
Hey, Joe. I know you're sad that she's leaving, but you don't need to lash out.
It really is sad.
What are you doing?
Oh, did you get that?
Oh, cut it out.
Okay.
I always cut out when you say racist or sexist comments. Good morning, it's moving day. How do you feel?
Stressing the fuck out.
bye to her. She's leaving you forever. Yes. She's so awkward. What the fuck is wrong with me right now? How do we do this?
How do we hug? Don't cry!
I know, it's just crazy because like we just moved in, you know, like remember when we were moving in?
I don't want to go.
Oh no! 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 I don't want to separate forever.
I'm not going.
Get in that truck. Your concealer has run down into the corners of your nose.
What?
I've never even been to Dallas before. Like, what if I hate it and you love it? Then you never want to leave.
It's not like that.
Drive safe. Have a good life.
I'll see you soon.
I can barely believe you left me so dry.
Wait, come here.
What? Well, this is really depressing me now.
This is really sad.
God. Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.